work some of your homework problems with you. The first one is write each expression in standard form. You're going to want to have your pattern handy for your i's to do this. So for number 1, I squared, I go to my pattern and look, I squared is equal to negative 1. For number 2, I to the 14th, you do 14 divided by 4. You have a remainder of 2. That remainder is really what I'm looking at. So I go back to my pattern. See, I squared, which is where my 2 is at, is equal to negative 1. So that's my answer right here. Let me work another one. Let me do number 7, which is I to the 167th power divided by 4. Has a remainder of 3. So I go back over here, I look at my pattern, find my 3, negative I. Number 8, let's look at 8 also. I to the 312th power, you divide 312 by 4. Remember, we're just looking at the remainder. Worth of 8 times, you've got a remainder of 0. If you get a number that's not 1, 2, or 3, you get a remainder of 0, you're going to look at this part of your pattern, I to the 4th. So it is the number 1. Let me work some in this next section. First thing I like to do is to take things out of their parentheses. And now I'm going to substitute. I go back up to my pattern. I know I squared is negative 1. And I see that I to the 4th is 1. Now I just have to add. 3 plus negative 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 is my final answer on number 9. Let's look at 13 together. This is one where I need to distribute. That'll give me 35 minus 10i. Then if I continue to distribute, I get negative 42i plus 12i squared. I'm going to neaten this up a little bit. That'll give me negative 52i plus 12i squared. Now I can substitute. So I've got 35 minus 52i minus 12. I'm going to put my real parts together. 35 minus 12 is 23 minus 52i. And that's my final answer. For 15, all I have to do is multiply by its conjugate, which is what you look at in your denominator and change the sign. When I do the bottom, the denominator, I need to do the numerator as well. So if I distribute 3 minus I and 3 plus I on the bottom, 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times I is 3i minus 3i, and then I have minus I squared. In the numerator, I have 6 plus 2i. So these will cancel out, and I'll have 9 minus negative 1 for my I squared. In the numerator, I have 10. 6 plus 2i, I have 10 in the denominator and 6 plus 2i in the numerator. I need to separate these so that I can have my real part, the A here and the BI second. And then this is simple to simplify. It's 3 over 5 plus 1 over 5. And I'm going to let 18 and 19 go. If you'd like to work those maybe for a sticker, I'm going to let these be challenge problems. You can get them correct. Do a sticker for them, but I'm not going to require that